Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can check all device specifications of this Samsung. Firstly, go into Play Store, tap on the search bar and type in Dev Check. Now you need to install this free app, Device Check Hardware and System Info, and then open it. Thanks to this app, you can find out all the information about your Samsung's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!